Ecobee could be next in line to launch a smart home security camera. New products in the pipeline? Most smart home manufacturers now dabble in more than one type of smart home device, and newly leaked images suggest that Ecobee has plans to add a security camera to its existing lineup of products. The leaked images were posted at That's Not Funny, but with no official comment from Ecobee yet. We'd take them with the usual grain or salt for now. Had said, it would make sense for Ecobee to want to add a camera to go alongside the smart thermostat it's mostly known for, and the smart light switch it recently added to its product range. Home Wi-Fi is now a battleground. Find alternatives for your smart home ecosystem. Our thoughts on the Google Home Hub. As for pricing, or a launch date, or any of the specs of the device, there's no word on any of that at the moment. Based on Ecobee's existing products, it seems likely that Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant integration would be included. Keeping up with the competition. What's certain is that the smart home space continues to get busier and more competitive, so Ecobee will be feeling the pressure to keep up with its competitors. Google has been pushing hard with its Google Home and Nest branded products, and looks likely to add more devices in the near future, while Amazon recently bought the mesh networking outfit Eero. A lot of Ecobee's rivals in the smart thermostat space, including Nest and Hive, also have security cameras to their name, so Ecobee would be keeping pace with its main competitors at least if a camera launch is on the cards. We'll have to wait and see if an Ecobee-made security camera appears to watch over your home, but for now the company is staying tight-lipped.